Everyone, I wanted to show you a quick tip I had for protecting my Secret Lab armrests from cracking. It's a known issue with these chairs that sometimes the armrests will prematurely wear and crack. And if you file a claim with Secret Labs, you can get a new armrest. Sometimes they try charging people and sometimes they don't. Mine I was not charged for. But I have my brand new armrest on there and I wanted to protect it. So I got this. And they are memory foam and they're fairly inexpensive. You can get two for under 20 bucks shipped if you want it off of Amazon. Here's who makes them. And you just pop it right on here. So you can put it either way. If you don't want the tag showing in, you can put it out like that. Wrap it around the back of the armrest. And it fits nice and snug. If you want it centered more, just pull on it a little bit. But right there is good for me. Now I don't have to worry about my Secret Labs armrest cracking anymore. So I tend to lean to the left. So I've got one for the Titan and one for the Omega, and I just keep it on my left, but if you want to put them on both, hey, that's up to you. So hope you guys find this helpful and it keeps you from cracking your new armrest that Secret Lab sends you.